Hello, and welcome to another ChurchBooks3 tutorial. In this video we will review the user's setup controls. Let's get started by selecting the Setup button from the main screen. Entering your second-level password will bring you to the Setup module. From here you select the Offerings button. Your offerings should match the offerings taken up from 1 week to the next exactly. Change this offerings list as a part of your setup process. Deleting an offering type when you have data applied against it is not the best practice. Next, click the Service Types button. Do not remove regular service, however you can add or change any other types as you see fit.